Hello friends, welcome back to my show Bhakti Patha. So friends, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. And there is a good news at the end of this video. And as I have promised in previous video, I will make next video on dwarf planets. So here it is. So to understand dwarf planets, we first need to understand what is a planet. So here are three criteria in which we can classify of a thing, a space body into be a planet or a dwarf planet. So let's see. This thing is all word to word said by NASA, Space Agency of America. So let's see what is it. It must orbit a star in our cosmic neighborhood, the sun. It must be big enough to have enough gravity to force it into a spherical shape. It must be big enough that its gravity cleared away any objects of similar size near its orbit around the sun. Let me explain all of this to you guys. It must orbit a star means and everything should orbit, a planet should orbit around a star. In our solar system, it's sun. Next one is it must be big enough to have enough gravity to force it into a spherical shape. Means the planet should be big enough to have a powerful gravity so that its gravity make its shape spherical. The third point is it must be big enough that its gravity cleared away any object of similar size near its orbit around the sun. Means the body should be big that its gravity clear everything and merge that thing into itself, which is revolving around the star in its orbit with it. So these are three criteria. Let's take an example of Earth and Pluto, and we will see whether Earth and Pluto which follows how many criteria and how much. So first criteria, should orbit around a star means sun. Earth orbit around a star and Pluto also. So these both get 1 point. It must be big enough to have enough gravity to force it into a spherical shape. Means it should be a spherical shape. Earth is not a perfect sphere. It is a spheroid, but it is kind of like spherical. So yes, it does follow this property also. And Pluto is also a spherical shape. So it also follows this property. But the third is it must be big enough so that its gravity cleared away any object of similar size near its orbit around the sun. Means Earth, there is nothing around its orbit around the sun. So it does follow this property. But Pluto doesn't, because there are many things, many asteroids and meteorites revolving with Pluto on its orbit around the sun. So Pluto doesn't follow this property. So Pluto doesn't follow all properties, so it is a dwarf planet. And Earth does follow all the properties, so it is a planet. So hope guys you have enjoyed this video and now understood all differences between planet and dwarf planet. And the good news at the end of this video is that in each video now from this you will get a question at this end, and next video I will announce one lucky answerer, one who have answered my question correctly, and I will also tell correct answer in next video. So question of this video is there are how many dwarf. So you got that question, and I hope you guys will answer this question in a comment box, and I will also announce lucky one in next video. Thank you.